Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin and today we're doing another eyeshadow first impressions video. I'm going to be trying out the Menagerie Cosmetics Violet Ink Mini Palette. Is that what it's called? Micro palette? Yes, micro palette, sorry. I always want to call it like a mini palette, but it's the micro palette. It has 6 shades in here. They're all very purpley toned. And it retails for $19.99, which is their least expensive palette, I believe. I think, let's see, the least expensive one you can buy. Yeah, everything else is $36, so this one is the least expensive at $19.99. And I'm very excited for it. I really like the shades. I think I'm going to try to use them all. We'll see. I think I'm going to try to use them all. But, you know, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I'm just going to do my eyeshadow with you guys, see how the eyeshadow performs. This will be my second time using Menagerie Cosmetics. I tested out the Whale Song palette a week, 2 weeks ago. I don't know, I'll link it for you guys in case you want to watch it. I really liked the Whale Song palette, so I'm hoping that I feel the same about the Violet Ink palette. So let's just zoom in and get started, shall we? So usually I would do both eyes on camera with you guys because I like doing both eyes, but I'm not gonna lie to you, it's extremely hot here. It is so hot inside this room and my fan is exceptionally loud, so I cannot play it to the fullest capacity while filming, and I'm starting to sweat. Also, Oregon is, you know, having fires right now, so it's very hot and I can't open my window because of the air quality, so it's a lot. I'm going to do one eye to cut down time so I can get off camera faster, so I can you know, put my fan on me and not die. So I hope you guys understand, hope you don't mind. One eye today. So let's start. I'm going to take the shade Jellyfish, this shade right here. It's the lightest shade. It's really pretty. I'm very excited for this shade. And I'm going to pop that in my crease. And I'm just going to use this as like my transition kind of shade. But I'm going to try to use every single shade in the palette since there's only 6. I feel like that's pretty easy. Whoa. Okay. That's way more pigmented than I thought it was going to be on the first go. There is a lot of kick up from this palette. I feel like I mentioned that with the Whale Song one as well. They're very, very kick-up-y, but you know, it's something I can look past if the shadows are really good. So let's see how this performs before I judge the amount of kick up that's coming off, but I will show you because there is quite a bit. So this shade is beautiful. This all over the, I'm already starting to sweat. This all over the lid would be, oh my god, it's so pretty. I think I'm going to do a halo eye today, which is not like my forte, but I have an idea. And so I'm gonna try it, I guess. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm so hot right now. I'm not gonna lie to you, I kind of just want to get this video done so I can put my fan on. So I'm really sorry if it feels like I'm rushing, but wowie, I am really hot right now. So let me know what the weather is like where you guys are at. I know, was it Colorado got snow? So I mean, that's interesting. Colorado getting snow is so weird because California, Washington, and Oregon have fires right now. Here is the kick up from Jellyfish. Quite a bit, but not too awful. So next, I kind of want to keep it this blue color on top, but I want to use all the shades. What to do. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling this like bluey feel. So I'm not gonna use this pinky purpley shade just yet. I'll probably do it on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go with Octopi. right here. Very pretty, of course. I really like the color shade. Oh, wow. Kick up. Oh, I got a lot. I have a feeling this is going to be very pigmented. Oh no. Okay, let's lay this down. I'm just gonna go into my crease again, just laying it on top of the Jellyfish shade. Oh, whoa. Very pretty indeed. I'm really liking this color combo. I feel like I just did a blue look though. Did I? I don't know, I'm always doing blue looks, so I can never really tell. So tell me what you guys have been up to in the comments down below. I've been watching a lot of Sister Sister, because Sister Sister is now on Netflix, and Sister Sister was one of my favorite shows to watch while I was growing up. I love Tia and Tamara, and rewatching it just gives me so many like feelings. I love that show. But yeah, I've had a lot of fun rewatching it. I'm almost done. I'm on season 6 of 6. I'm sad I'm gonna be done with it. It's been a lot of fun just rewatching them and I don't know, reliving kind of some of my childhood. At least that's what it feels like. I feel like as I get older, all I do is relive my childhood, or try to relive my childhood, because I'm sad about being an adult. Being an adult sucks. Again, Octopi has quite a bit of kick up. So next I'm going to take the shade Inkjet, which is this deepest purpley shade, and I'm going to put that on the outer and inner portions of my eye to help with the halo effect. Oh, I really like this shade. Doing an all matte look with these colors would be probably my favorite look ever. I really like these mattes. I'm very impressed with Menagerie's matte formula. Not that I don't like their shimmers. Their shimmers are beautiful as well. But I don't know, there's something about their matte shades. You know what I mean? There's just something about them that I really like. I'm getting a lot of fallout on my eye, but it's a good thing that I do my face makeup afterwards, isn't it? Beautiful! Okay, again with the kick up, I'll show you just for fun. I mean, it blows away pretty easily, so just in case you were worried. Next, time for the halo portion. I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer. So I'm going to take this flatter fluffy brush. It's like kind of flat but kind of fluffy. It's from the Vintage Cosmetics. I got it from a BoxyCharm, I think. So I'm just going to take some NYX glitter primer on that, and instead of like cutting the halo eye, I'm just going to pat this where I want the shimmer to go. Next, I'm going to take the shade Mimic right here. It's very pretty. And I'm going to put this on top of the glitter primer. Oh my god, I love. Oh my god. This is the prettiest. Whoa, look at that. I don't even think you can see the like, oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow. Oh my god. That is so stunning. Remember how I was just like, oh, their mattes are just so... Okay, well, this shimmer is magnificent. Holy guacamole. So I'm going to take more of Inkjet, the dark purpley blue we used on the outer and inner parts. And I'm just gonna blend it into the shimmer. This turned out so much better than I even expected it to. So I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera and finish my face makeup and turn on my fan because I am so freaking hot. And I will come back and we will do the lower lash line. I'm going to use the 2 other shades that we did not use. So I'll be right back. Okay, let's do the lower lash line. So I'm going to take the shade Iron Grip right here. This little like lavendery purple shade. And I'm going to take this on a small fluffy brush. This is a Luxie 131 mini angled. And I'm just going to blend this under the eye. Just like so. And then I'm going to take the shade 3 Hearts. It's a shimmer shade. And I'm going to take it on this flat-ish fluffy brush. This is a Lavish eye shading brush. And I'm just going to put this on my lash line as well for a little pop. Ooh, like so. I really like this tone look we're going for. I just think it's really pretty. And then because there is no highlighting shade, I mean, I could use this, but since it's on the middle, I'm just going to take my face highlight. This is the Nabla Skin Glazing in Amnesia, and I'm just going to pop some of this in my inner corner. Then I'm going to pop on some mascara and a lip, and we will be done, and I will tell you guys my thoughts, if you can't already tell what my thoughts are so far. Okay, this is the finished look. I am obsessed. Oh my god, I love this look so much. This is probably one of my favorite looks I've done in a really long time. Not in a really long time, but in a while. I just feel really pretty in this. I feel very, you know, like pretty, you know? Anyways, okay, let me zoom you guys out and I will tell you guys my thoughts. Okay, so let me tell you guys my overall thoughts. First, I am not the biggest mini palette fan, and it's nothing against like the size or anything. It's just the amount of shadow that they usually have. I just think that sometimes 6 shades or, you know, 5 shades or, you know, whatever, it's just a little lacking. I just feel like you can only create so many looks and then it'll start repeating because there's only so many things you can do with it, you know? However, I don't feel like that with this one. I honestly can see me creating so many different kinds of looks with this little palette because the shades are so different. I don't know, they're just, the tones are so unique and so, I don't know how to explain it. I just can see being able to create so many different kinds of looks and not getting bored or getting tired or getting, you know, lost or being stumped with what to do. I just feel like this palette would give you so much range, even in the 6 shadows that is in it. So I'm actually really impressed with the shade selection. My 2 favorite shades are for sure Mimic. This is the most beautiful shimmer. I just am obsessed. And then probably Jellyfish, the first shadow we used. Those 2, ooh. And then I really liked Octopi. But I honestly really liked them all, and I thought they all performed really nicely, and I liked the formula. It seems the same as the Whale Song palette to me, which I really, really liked, so that means I can't really see a difference. So I think it is the like exact same formula. I'm very impressed. I think this look turned out so beautiful. I love the formula. I love the colors. It's only $19.99, which is not bad at all. Honestly, I think this might be my favorite. I love the Whale Song, but this might be my favorite from Menagerie so far. This is so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. I'm so impressed with it. I really, 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 really like it. I'm so happy I ended up getting it. I wasn't going to, but I'm so happy I did. It's just, it's so beautiful. Also, look at the cover. Look at how cute it is. The artwork is just so beautiful on their palettes. I love it so much. So yeah, I'm super into this mini palette, micro palette. Sorry, I always forget what to call it. It's a micro palette, sorry. I really like this. I really, really like this a lot. So this is just a first impressions. My opinion could change later on. I don't think it's going to. Usually my first impression is pretty much the same impression I have the rest of the time I use it. But just in case, this is just a first impressions. It's not a review or anything like that. But I'm super pleased. I had a lot of fun playing with it. I really liked it a lot. I like the way it turned out. It's just beautiful. So yeah, I guess those are my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though I feel like I'm a little lackluster today and I'm a little like rushed. I'm so hot, guys. I'm trying to get done so I can keep the fan going on me so I don't sweat to death. So I'm really sorry if my personality is just kind of today. I'm not usually like this, but the heat is just unbearable. So let me know if you want to see another video with this little guy, maybe a 3 looks 1 palette. Maybe soon, who knows. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content you enjoy from me. That way I can keep providing you with that kind of content. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We can become friends and talk about makeup, books, horror, all kinds of things. I do a lot on this channel, so hopefully there's something for everyone. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you on Friday for a book review Friday. Bye!